All right, we're back. So this is the 7575. Okay, it's submerged. Again, I'm gonna have to do a little bit of maneuvering here to try and, I'll just hold it. I should have cut the lid on this one as well. Oh, but I got those gamer hands. There we go. What's interesting is this one is recovering a bit faster. This might be due to programming it really quickly. So a thing I need to think about, I think, going forward is how fast am I actually programming it? Because if I program it slowly, the shape that it's going to be in is going to get more accustomed to that. Whereas if I do the programming really quickly, it's kind of like a sudden change before it freezes. And we can kind of see that because this seems to be recovering a lot more nicely than the 9075, in which it was a higher programming temperature. However, I took too long on it. So probably need to be a little bit more consistent on that one, because these other three that we've done have made it at least made a substantial recovery. Or it could just be that if you program at a higher temp and then try to recover at a lower temp, it's not going to recover as well. Whereas if you do the inverse, where you program it at a low temp, recover at a high temp, it recovers quickly. And then you kind of get in the middle when you do the same programming and recovery temp. So we're hitting about the halfway mark here. Again, we'll let this go for 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to create a quick demonstration just to see for myself how quickly the PETG can be malleable once it enters in higher degree baths. And just see how quick it actually is to program these in the first place, in order to save time and also do more tests and repeated tests. Got about a minute left here. So a thing to note here is that because having this lid open, obviously there's going to be heat loss it seems that the temperature has actually dropped a little bit from 75 to around 73.6 for the water. So that could be also another reason, is that it's not necessarily able to recover as quickly due to the 1.5 degree difference, or degree difference in our water. But that's going to be it for that one. Seems to have stopped its recovery for the most part. And so with that, I'm going to end it here.